Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful problem that 18 factorial divided by bracket 20 minus 3 bracket our factorial. So first of all, here we write solution, and then here we write 18 factorial divided by 20 minus 3 is equal to 17 factorial. So now here we write 18 factorial divided by 17 factorial. So it's equal to, we write 18 factorial as 18 multiplied by 17 factorial divided by 17 factorial. We write this as this. So now 17 factorial cancel with 17 factorial. So remaining 18. This is our answer.